We are on Prep Test 62, working on Logic Game 4, and we're on question number 20. The question is, if t is first, what could be true? So we've got our rules and inferences up here, and we're going to bring up a couple of our master diagrams here to try out some different options. Okay? So this is the master diagram we worked on in the setup. If you missed that video, I would go back and take a look at it, or at least pause this one right now to see if you can work out these master diagrams on your own. And when you're ready to continue, hit play. So, moving along here, the reason why we have two of them is we know that t wants to go in the first position, and if t goes in the first position, then we cannot have st, so we have to have su. But, looking at this, u can't go in spaces 5 or 6, so there are only two possibilities for su. The first is right here, and the second is right there. So with that information, let's see if there's anything else we can do with these charts. So what I notice right away is that we need WM or TM somewhere in this picture. In this one, we can't have TM, so we need WM, which means that this guy can't be an M. It has to be, well, basically it means that we either have WM here or we have WM here. And R goes there or there. Over here, we actually have a choice. We could have we do have a choice, I'm sorry. We can have WM here, but if we put WM there, it forces R into a place that is earlier than U. That's not okay. So what that tells us is that we have to have TM, and then we have R and W interchangeably in our last two spaces. So only a couple of options here, and the question is asking us what could be true. So let's look at our answer choices. R is second. Nope, nowhere is that true. W is third. Again, nowhere is that true. S is fourth. Nope, not anywhere. U is fifth. U's never fifth. That's a general rule that we've already determined. So M is sixth, and we do have a position right here where M can be sixth, so that is the answer choice that could be true.